The house kind of looks like a haunted house.
It's a single-story home with pretty basic layout. It's got a living room, kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom.
We got it for a really good price. It was $20,000. We bought it less than a year ago, but that's not a thing now. You can't buy a house on Talbot for $20,000. So the front is super cute, actually, with like the little wood details. I want to be able to do something with them. I don't know what.
It's only super cute to us.
Oh, yeah, yeah. No, not to anyone else. I mean, right now it's very dark and kind of haunted housey looking.
It looks like a fairy tale house.
It does. It looks like one that you would like sprinkle fairy dust over and it would be like slow motion change to this cute little cottage that we're gonna make it. And it's gonna be nice and bright and cheery. So I think we need to do a like complete 180 because this is very dark, very gray, very like foreboding. Freshen it up and make it like happy little cottage with like a nice creamy color and a fun accent.
So, entry, living room.
So musty.
Yeah, it doesn't smell good.
Yeah, this all's gotta go.
I love these double doors.
Yeah, I don't think we can reuse them specifically for what they are.
That's okay. These are coming home with me. That's nice.
Right now, we've got something reminiscent of 2 bedrooms. This whole front space, I think, makes sense that we open all this up to be kitchen, living, dining room, put a couple bedrooms on the back.
Yeah.
I think that probably functioned as a bedroom and that functioned as a bedroom.
I would agree.
Because it's all kitchen back here.
Bedroom has a nice sized closet.
Well, it's not gonna stay. We got a nice like 30-degree slant on this kitchen.
Oh, and there's a hat for you.
That's nice.
This one is what Mom calls a chop and pack. We're gonna chop off the back portion of the house where the floor and the foundation are in the worst shape, and we'll pop on a 2-story addition in the back that will include our 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. On the front of the house, we need to fix the existing foundation and open up the front 3 rooms to create an open floor plan for our kitchen, living room, and dining room.
If we can get the 3-bedroom, 2-bath that we want in here, I think we're in a really safe spot financially.
We bought the house for $20,000, and with all the foundation issues plus the addition, we're looking at about $180,000 in renovation costs. So we'd be all in at $200,000.
But since we sold a similar house about a year ago for $230,000, I think we can get $250,000 for this one. Just gotta get ready for demo.
Mina!
I am having a blast in the excavator. Like, I got the AC on, chilling in my zone, just tearing it up. Kind of plowed through.
Hold that still for a second. Is everybody out of there? Everybody out of the addition? We're clear? All right, hit it.
Oh my. Time to go. I'm inside the house, just kind of checking to see, is there anything I've missed? Is there anything I need to do? And I look to my right, and there's the bucket to the excavator. When I saw the bucket, I thought, I am not in the right place. You're not. Gonna go. Feel like things are happening.
Although the house will be smaller now, we designed the front elevation with the 3 big windows that were in the original cottage, keeping the front porch and door just to the left of it. And we kept the open layout when you first walk into the living room, dining room, and kitchen area. The big change is that now we have space for only 1 bedroom and bathroom instead of 2 bedrooms on the first floor.
The important part was we had to shrink our footprint, so we met our new easements and our green space, which meant putting a bedroom upstairs, so we still have the 3 bedrooms.
Because we're pouring a brand new foundation, it'll be strong enough to support a full 2nd story. And that means that now when you come up the stairs, the main bedroom and bathroom are to the left, and that 3rd bedroom we didn't have room for downstairs moves up to the 2nd story to the right of the stairs.
So obviously the house falling down costs a certain amount of money to, we hadn't planned on a foundation and all this stuff. And shrinking the house makes it sell for a little bit less, but it also lowers our cost to build it because it's pretty much a price per square foot build cost. So we're gonna shave a little bit off that too.
So no extra cost to 2 chicks.
No. Nice.
I took a chance and rolled the dice.
Nice little calm morning to lay some floors,
Yeah.
you know? Birds are chirping, sun shining.
This floor goes down so easy.
Mm-hmm.
Today we're at Talbot and we are installing flooring as a team here.
Yeah.
We laid it longwise as you walk in the door, so it would pull you into the house. Because Mina and Karen talk about that all the time. What pulls you into the house? And part of that's the flooring. I feel really pulled in.
Yeah, pulled me in.
Perfect. That's what perfection looks like.
Is there a special trick that he has to getting this in there?
Gosh, I'm the fastest floor slinger in the West,
You are?
in the Midwest.
Oh, okay.
This flooring's going down like a dream. I'm slinging one in after another. Ugh. Corey seems to be having a little bit of trouble.
Today is not my day with this flooring. In my defense, this click and lock is not like any other we've installed before. It's not working out for me over here, Tad.
Corey, that piece is taking a while.
I will feed you to a tiger.
You don't have the hands for it, man. Did you mess it up too? It's okay.
I just take deep breaths. I've been practicing my breathing because,
Have you?
yeah, I almost pass out. I get so pissed off.
You grouchy bear.
Oh, boy.
I think the reason you're having such a hard time with this flooring is you're being too aggressive. You need to be more calm, more gentle with the flooring, more like me.
You have your way of doing it, and I have my way.
You need a little tap, tap, tappy. Ooh, ooh.
Yeah, you like that? Man
Yeah.
hands.
Floor looks super good, super hot. You
Yep.
gonna go grab cabinet hardware real
Yes,
quick?
I do.
All right, so we'll reconvene here and then install the pantry.
Okay, all right.
Let's go. Let's get out of here. After this flooring gets laid, we got vanities, trim, paint, and all of our finished mechanicals. So we are right there at the end.
With the flooring down, we're making progress in the rest of the house, turning our little cottage into a minimalist modern farmhouse to appeal to our potential buyer, Jared and his girlfriend, Jordan. Inside, the white shaker cabinets have been installed and they're gonna look great with the white subway tile backsplash we chose. In the main bath, our mosaic marble tile surround is in, which ties in our minimalist color scheme. And outside, the house is getting a fresh coat of paint that'll give it that modern farmhouse vibe we want.
Holy smokes.
Gosh. I love this.
This is
Look
beautiful.
at the backsplash too.
Absolutely beautiful. I love the backsplash.
And the high up all the way to the ceiling cabinets.
To the ceiling.
Oh my goodness.
This is so cool.
So before, it was just 3 rooms that were all separated. So even though it fell down, we still kind of kept the frontage looking the same, so it fit in the area. So it's still got a little bit of that charm to it.
Love the openness of it.
This is
Oh my
awesome.
goodness.
Perfect for entertaining. Everybody's all in the space.
We'll go around this way and get a closer look at the kitchen.
I love white.
Beautiful. I love the
I
knobs.
know.
I love the color of the knobs.
We wanted to do the copper again to bring in some warmth because it is a lot of white. You got the quartz countertop that's
this.
white, all the cabinets, so the copper just kind of warms it up a little
Yes.
bit.
I love this like nook area.
Well, those are the corbels that were on the front of the house.
Yes,
That's
I
all.
love
That is
that.
awesome.
But that's a little bit of the detail under the stairs, which really isn't necessary to expose, but I think it gives it a little bit more character and feels not like a new construction home.
Yes, I love this.
Plenty of space and storage.
And when you're working in the kitchen, you're still part of the party.
All right, well, let's go check out your huge living room.
Yeah.
Oh my
Let's
goodness.
see. I love the amount of light.
We go a little crazy on our can lights.
And the rectangular windows, I love.
We kept the front windows, well, new ones, but then we wanted to add these high skinny ones so you do get some more light from the north and south, but you still have some privacy.
I
Yeah.
love it.
Yeah, the natural light in here is gonna be really nice.
You got, plenty of seating. You could fit a massive sectional in here if you wanted.
Yeah.
You got lots of options for sure.
Love
This
it.
is gonna be wonderful to host
The
people.
openness.
Perfect. So we'll go check out the little like mudroom entryway in the back, which turned out to be a bonus when the house fell.
Yes.
I know that you could be the one. You could be the one. You could be the one who could break me down.
We had some more options once we weren't wed to an existing foundation plan. So we've got this nice little bench storage area, your stacked washer and dryer over there,
Plenty of room on the walls for hooks,
Oh,
for
yeah.
coats, for whatever.
dog paraphernalia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Leashes, all that.
Yes,
I
all
love
that.
it.